Your gaming titles are probably not underperforming because you are bad at writing them. They are underperforming because they explain the video and they're not selling the idea. In this video, I will show you how to actually write gaming titles that makes people want to click. As someone who has built a gaming channel to 188,000 subscribers, I know how to create titles that create curiosity in the viewer, that makes the video sound interesting and leads to more clicks. Because I went from making titles that were like this, that were unclear and had too much wording, to titles and thumbnails that look like this. And that is a big difference. So I'm going to show you how to make better titles that are more clickable. Most people think that titles are more about wording. However, the biggest thing is that titles should be more about explaining an idea. And if people can understand and know exactly what the video is about and what will happen without having to click on the video, then they won't click. I will have a broad example here, but for example, all of these videos have a very simple title of Minecraft Let's Play Part 1, for example. And then we have other videos here. For example, I rated a Minecraft mansion early, Let's Play Minecraft Survival. The problem is that with these titles, there's no tension, there's no curiosity, there's no emotion. So therefore, there's no emotion for the viewer and no reason, therefore, to actually click on the video. And this is probably why a lot of people also like to add more wording to your title, thinking that the more you explain the video, the better it will do. However, if you understand something simple, it is that when people look for a video, they mostly scan, and if they have to spend too much time reading the title and also combine with the thumbnail, then they will just skip to the next one, which is more simple and clarifies the idea very, very quickly. However, the main problem is not necessarily that the titles are too long, it's that people try to cover up a video, which is usually a bad idea. They don't have a set idea for the video, and usually if you have a bad video idea, that leads straight to a bad title. For example, here we have a video called Building a Tower in My Forever World. Now, actually, if you were to be a YouTuber with 100,000 subscribers, building a tower is actually a great idea, especially if it's a big tower. However, how they word it would be very different from how this person has worded it. A good idea will fail if the title is bad and has too much unnecessary information. For example, with that video, there is no clear focus and too many words, and also the word capitalization also matters, because if some words or if the sentence of the title looks messy, then there's no structure to the title. Now I came up with a title called I Built a Wizard Tower in Minecraft. All the words, or most of them, are capitalized, providing a nice and clear structure as to what the video is about, and therefore it's more clear to viewers and it brings some sort of curiosity, like, because most people, they tell a story with their videos. So you have the title and then the viewer will wonder, how did they do that? How did they build this specific tower? Because yes, the title may explain the end result, but then when they click, you explain the story from zero, the ground, and then all the way how you built the tower. There are also many videos like this with the same structure of wording. I built Minecraft's most secure tower. I built a Gothic tower starter base in Minecraft. I built the world's tallest Minecraft base. They don't have the Let's Play Part 1 or some random filler words, because the more clear and simple it is, while conveying the same clarity or emotion, and also the thumbnail, the simpler, the better. I have a tool here that I like to use. I'm not sponsored by it, but it's called thumbsup.tv. And here we can see that the title and the thumbnail can be structured how we want. So I like to have simple titles like this, which states the video very clearly, quite simplistic. I did a thing like Minecraft Skyblock, but it's like I survived on the ocean on a single tile, and that is quite intriguing. The video did do very well. If I were to have a title like this for the video, I played on this tile block for 50 years, Ocean Survival. I mean, this is a night and day difference, because you might think that the title is similar. Even here, the formatting of the title is not very intriguing. The filler words, Ocean Survival. If there is something in the thumbnail that does not need to be put in the title, then don't do it. Because if the thumbnail has a specific element that viewers already understand, you do not need to add it in the title. If there is an ocean in the video, you don't need to title it with Ocean Survival. I mean, you could improve the video by, when you have I survived rather than I played for survival videos, it brings upon more of a curiosity hook, because I survived is more stakes, has higher stakes than I played. It seems more casual, less serious. So I survived usually does pretty well. Instead, I have a better title here. I survived on one block for 50 years. I mean, this title, I'll actually replace it with this title right here. I survived on one block for 50 years. People just scan from left to right, and they instantly, like that in a second, they already understand what the video is about. And therefore, it creates curiosity. How did you survive for that long? Doesn't really... It explains the end result, yes, but how did you get? That's what the people want to see, because everybody or every video has a story. So if you can master the storytelling aspect and the title that will deliver on that video by a story, then in the end you will literally have a great video. But again, you need a great idea first of all, because otherwise the thumbnail and the title, no matter how bad the idea is, you cannot make a good title. You see, good titles are not about sounding smart, where you have to explain the whole thing for the viewer to understand. They will understand the whole context, yes, if you explain, but you don't need to sound smart with a title, because then you already explained the whole story. And what do people like most about a movie or a video? That they don't know what will happen, like when they're actually watching it, and they're watching to find out more information or more emotions. You see, good titles are about being clear and interesting at the same time. And so if you improve that with the wording, with simpler words, you don't need to use advanced words. You don't need to have long sentences, because you're competing against thousands, if not millions of people on YouTube. So when you're shown to all of these people, and guess what? People will read and therefore click on videos that are faster and easier to scan, because if they're also faster and easier to scan, then they know if it's interesting or not faster, if you understand. People have limited time. You want to grab their attention like that as quickly as possible. You need to stop asking what happens in the video, because you want the title and the thumbnail to ask that question in the viewer. You need to start asking yourself, what makes this video worth watching in the viewer's point of view? The best titles, they don't explain the video, they create curiosity around it. And once you understand this, you will become a master at writing, because most people, especially in the entertainment niche, it all revolves around viewer emotions. It's about learning the psychology of how humans behave and interact, or how humans think in general. And this way, when you create an interesting topic, which creates an emotion in the viewer and curiosity, that is how you will stand out. Anyways, if you want to watch a video about how to make better thumbnails, then click on this video here. You can make thumbnails that pair exactly with the right title.